Well, I'm never going to miss a vitamin like the old pills because now I'm going to be drinking them. Now, these are 2 boxes that I have here. I have a box and a bag full of 30 actual little bags, and they're flavor bags with a bunch of different types of vitamins for you guys. If you guys can see, you get 30 in a box too. They come with different flavors. If you guys can see, I have orange here. And of course, this is a mixed fruit. So I like mixed fruit. So instead of drinking it down, you can also make yourself a smoothie with a nice machine, a little blender. You can mix that up. It keeps you up to date. Like I said, bunch of vitamins are included when to set it up. Now, the bottled water is a 20-ounce bottled water. Of course, I went beyond the 20 ounce. If you guys can see, the bottled water, you open it up. Big sip of gulp, no straw. So this is a gulp down, right? So I like the secure area here. Now this is great for a workout, after a workout, or before. Like I said, it's great to take with you on the road. Never miss your vitamins. Have your water, any type of water you have, as long as it's clear water or maybe even sparkling water, you could have it, and you can mix this up. So we're gonna look how the packages come in, size of my hand. I like these things that have a big entrance, all right, so I don't have to worry about spillage. Look at this. I like that every single little bag has a little rip, so you don't have to use your teeth or anything. The mixture is ready to go. One corner, let everything drop. Look at that. Mix it up. Changing the color. Look at that. Look at that beautiful color it gave you. Make sure that there's no pieces left. See in the bottom. Mix them around. Oh, like I said, after a good workout or it's hot day like today, open it up, take a nice drink, see how it tastes though. This is a mix of fruits, so let's try this one. Oh man. It reminds me of Tang. It has a hint of vitamins, all right? It has that taste. If you ever had that Tang mixed water, this is actually really good. This is actually really good.